Good morning friends, we can continue the exercise 10.2. Next question number 3. If tangents PA and PB from a point P to a circle with the center O. So first of all we should draw one circle with center O and another point P. We should draw two tangents, that is PA and PB, to the circle. So first I am drawing PA and this is PB. These meeting points we can mark it as A and B. I written here A and B. Okay. So it is given that in the question, if tangents PA and PB from a point P, this is the point P, to a circle, so this is the circle, with the center O, are inclined to each other at angle of 80 degree. These two tangents are inclined. Here it is making the angle which is equal to 80 degree. It is given in the question. Then we have to find out angle POA. So if we want to find out angle POA, first of all we should draw one line here. Angle POA. This is the angle POA. We have to find this one. Okay. So we know that PA and PB are two tangents, correct? So PA should be perpendicular to radius. PA should be perpendicular. This line should be perpendicular to corresponding radius, that is OA, and PB should be perpendicular to OB. PB should be perpendicular to OB. So we can write PAO. Angle PAO is equal to angle PBO. Angle PBO is equal to, both are 90 degree, correct? Because these two lines are perpendicular. So here it is 90 degree. Here also it is 90 degree. So if I am taking the quadrilateral APBO, okay, APBO, I am going to apply angle sum property of quadrilateral. Okay, so we can find out this angle here. This angle we can find out here. This one. Okay, so I am calculating angle OAP, this one, plus angle APB, this angle APB, plus angle PBO, this angle PBO, plus this angle BOA, angle BOA. Sum should be is equal to 360 degree. OAP 90 degree plus APB 80 degree plus PBO 90 degree plus BOA we have to calculate. I written it as angle BOA is equal to 360 degree. 90 plus 90 plus 80 we will get 260. So we will get angle BOA. Angle BOA is equal to 360 degree minus this 260 degree, which is equal to 100 degree. Now we got this full angle is equal to 100 degree. We have to calculate this angle, correct? So if we can prove that these two, this one and this one, these two angles are equal, then we can calculate this angle. So if we want to write these two angles are equal, then we should first prove these two triangles are congruent, correct? Which are the triangles? OPB and OPA. If we are taking these two triangles, so I am taking the triangles OPB and O triangle OPA. We will get here OP is equal to OP common side. So OP is equal to OP. What is the reason? Common side. Next we can write these two and tangents from a point, from the fixed point P, correct? So from a point, if we are drawing two tangents to the circle, that tangents should be equal. So we can equate here PA is equal to this PB. So I am writing PA is equal to PB. What is the reason? Tangents from a point are equal. Tangent from a point are equal. So we can write these two are equal. Next we can equate these two angles because these two are 90 degree. So angle OAP is equal to OBP. So I am writing angle OAP is equal to angle OBP. What is the reason? Each 90 degree. So So now we got this is side angle. So by using SAS criteria, we can write these two triangles are congruent. So triangle OPB is congruent to triangle OPA, right? By using SAS criteria. So if these two triangles are congruent, then we can equate this angle is equal to this angle. Angle AOP is equal to BOP. So I am equating here angle AOP is equal to angle BOP. Total it is angle AOB. We know that what is angle AOB? That is equal to 100 degree. Okay, so we can calculate here what we have to calculate here actually angle POA, that is this one. AOP and POA both are same, which is equal to, if both are equal, then we can take half of angle BOA. So half of angle BOA, which is equal to half into 100, which is equal to 50 degree. This one we have to calculate here. So the answer is equal to 50 degree.